Hello, today I would like to present to you Hack It Up, your link to your medical team. Hack It Up is a service that's goal is to simplify the link between patient and provider. Often I've heard that patients have this issue where they make these uh, appointments, but the appointment isn't for like 2 weeks out. And so by the time that you see the doctor and the doctor asks you what your problem is, you forget what it was. So the goal behind Hack It Up is to take these symptoms and immediately send them to your provider. So to start off, let's go to the patient sign-in page. You'll be prompted to enter your username and password, so then we'll sign in. Don't want to save that. And here you will be prompted to enter your condition. So let's say I've been having issues with headaches. I would rate them about a 4 out of 5 on the pain scale. And then we document the date and time, ideally, that you have been, since you remember it happening. So let's say it's been happening since January 5th of this year. This year. And then for simplicity's sake, we'll just say 12 a.m. or p.m. That works too. Then you hit add item, and it populates to your conditions. So over on the bottom right hand, we have a chat box. And the purpose of this chat box is to send messages to your provider. So we won't see the provider's side yet, but another neat feature about the patient side is that we have implemented Gemini AI to summarize your conditions. So let's add a few more in here. We'll say we've had chills, maybe a 2 out of 3. We'll say it just started a couple of days ago. 25. And then, once again, for simplicity's sake, there we go. Now, ideally, you would document the symptoms as they're happening. So, I would notice now that I have a fever. And so you can hit this calendar button, you can click on the current day, and then you input your time. It is currently 2:17 a.m. and you add the ad. So, should you click the Gemini button right here, Google Gemini will populate a report for you. So, we gotta give her a second. But there we go. Gemini has created a report for us, and this is also sent to the provider. Though, if need be, you could copy and paste this and put it into a Word document, a PDF, or whatever, and you could send that over to whoever you want. So let's sign out and go to the provider side. So once again, we'll enter MediProvider, do the password, sign in. So here you can see that on the provider dashboard, we have a list of the patient's conditions. So we see that what they listed as, the severity, and the date and time. So here you can filter by severity. So let's say you only want to see the highest thing. You hit filter right here. You only see the stuff that is severity 4. You can also just search by condition. So I specifically want to see chills. And here you can also see the Gemini report that was generated. But you can also send a message back. Hi, patient. There we are. So, for the future of Hack It Up, I would like mainly for it to interface with patient portals, sort of like how Plaid does or PayPal, where it takes the data from APIs from patient portals and it just kind of puts the patient experience all in one place. But for now, this is our demo. Thank you for watching.